AIDFY WordPress Website Generator. Effortlessly create stunning, high-converting WP websites by just clicking a few buttons. Choose a keyword and choose customization options. Generate gorgeous, high-converting sites that will leave your clients speechless. One-click demo generator. Instantly impress clients with dynamic website demos. Create captivating website demos within seconds, allowing your clients to visualize the incredible potential of their future site. Over 3,000 plus niche themes to choose from. Step into a world of endless design possibilities with over 3,000 plus niche themes at your fingertips. Whether sites for brick and mortar businesses, affiliate marketers, e-commerce store owners, and more, our gigantic template library has got you covered. AI mass content creation. Fuel your websites with AI-powered content by just entering a keyword. Unlock the ability to generate unique, high-quality content that captivates your audience, boosts conversions, and ranks high in Google search results. Add AI images. Add stunning, high-quality AI images to wow your visitors. Transform your client's website into a stunning gallery with attractive graphics that sets it apart from others. Add AI videos. Enhance your websites instantly by effortlessly integrating powerful videos anywhere, captivating your audience with dynamic content. Boost your visibility on Google and YouTube with AI-powered videos. Rank for tons of search terms. Use artificial intelligence to improve your online customer experience and outshine your competitors. Search keywords for listings, metadata, blogs, and more by knowing local SEO to become a leader in long-tail keywords. Site Generation Wizard. Easily customize your website with the Website Design Wizard that allows customization of all elements, from social integration to headers, navigation and more, and tag it all with easy clicks. Add countdown timers in a click. Incentivize conversions and increase speed by easily integrating countdown timers with one click. Encourage your visitors to take action immediately, and witness a surge in customers sold with irresistible limited time offers. 50 marketing layouts. Enhance the beauty of your website with 50 pre-designed marketing layouts. Easily integrate services and products, and let your creativity flourish with clarity and conciseness by creating visually engaging campaigns that resonate with your audience. AI website content generation. Fuel your websites with AI-powered content that converts. Unlock the ability to generate unique, high-quality content that captivates your audience, boosts conversions, and ranks high in Google search results. AI SEO generation. Command SEO supremacy with AI-driven optimization. Elevate headlines, meta tags, and more to secure higher Google rankings for your clients, unleashing the power of AI to outshine their online competition. AI image generation. We leave your website users in awe by enhancing the visitor experience with captivating AI-generated images that bring magic and professionalism that leave an engaging and lasting impression. AI video generator. Empower your website with one-click video integration and seamlessly embed dynamic content everywhere, from product demos to inspiring stories, to engage your audience and increase engagement. Advanced AI security system. Protect your website hassle-free. Activate our AI cybersecurity system effortlessly. Just upload and turn it on. It operates seamlessly in the background, providing multi-layered protection against advanced attackers, malware, phishing scams, and more with automatic updates. Easy upload and management. Simplify website security with PixelArmorAI. No technical expertise needed. Effortlessly protect your site through an easy upload and management system, letting advanced AI handle the rest for peace of mind and a secure online presence. Auto updates and runs by itself. Stay worry-free with PixelArmorAI security system. Automatic updates and seamless operation eliminate manual maintenance, keeping your website consistently up to date with the latest security measures. IP blocker. Secure your website by effortlessly blocking unauthorized IP addresses, enhancing protection with an additional layer of security for peace of mind and safeguarding your valuable online assets. Country blocker. Manage website access by controlling it based on geographical locations, allowing you to permit or block traffic from specific countries for enhanced security, safeguarding against potential malicious activities and ensuring access for your intended audience only. Hide login. Increase access security. block URLs, block potential attackers, and increase protection to protect your credentials from malicious attempts. Advanced HT access hardening. Strengthen your website's protection. PixelArmorAI's advanced HT access hardening provides a strong and robust AI defense. Attacks and hacking attempts. Advanced spam and DDoS protection. Safeguard your website. PixelArmorAI's advanced system filters out spam and DDoS attacks, ensuring security and smooth functionality, even during peak times. Spam protection. Shield your website from disruptive spam comments, fostering genuine interactions and upholding a clean, professional online environment. ReCAPTCHA. Boost form and user security. Verify humans, thwart bot infiltration, and ensure only legitimate users access and interact with your website's content. Auto-update old plugins, themes. Proactively tackle compatibility issues and vulnerabilities by staying vigilant against outdated plugins and themes through seamless updates. Features like no technical experience needed, around-the-clock support, pick from thousands of images and graphics. Auto-updates included, mobile and retina-friendly, in-app training included, hundreds of niches and types of sites. Real results, training and tutorials. This is my new favorite tool. PixelArmorAI is awesome. I love how many theme and niches choices you have. And AI content, AI images, and AI videos in one. Travis. Pumping out tons of sites that get results is back on the table. Require a solid security plan with all the malware these days. I got early access and PixelArmorAI was so easy to use. Pumping out tons of sites that get results is back on the table again thanks to your amazing invention. Get these amazing launch day bonuses if you order today. White label rights to Spin Game Elite. Unlock lead generation success. Gamify with a spin to win tool for irresistible engagement. Agency rights to AI SEO agent. Dominate Google rankings effortlessly. AI-powered SEO tool for rapid WordPress site optimization. IG video stories with agency rights. Unlock a vast library of editable IG video stories for rapid client account growth. Agency rights to local appointment scheduler. Empower websites with effortless appointment booking using local appointment scheduler. Reseller rights to mass social post technology. Utilize AI for site content creation, and leverage mass social post for widespread social media engagement, boosting profits effortlessly. Local multi-store locator maps. The top-notch app for Google Maps creation, enabling multiple store locations on a single map. Nitro Booster for WP. Boost WordPress page speed with Nitro Booster for optimal loading, enhancing conversions and SEO. AI chat assistant with agency rights. Deploy an AI agent for authentic interaction, answering questions, selling, and engaging visitors. If you make a purchase from the link in the description, you will receive a free bonus. Take a screenshot of the product you purchased. Send it to me on Instagram. I will give you a free bonuses. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content.